Happy New Year and welcome to the January 2026 edition. As we roll into a new year of Qt, C++, and Rust development, this month's edition is packed with ways to sharpen your skills and stay inspired. Think hands-on training, smart talks, and practical video tutorials. All the good stuff to kick things off right. We've got a save the date for the upcoming KDAB Training Day, fresh video releases from Meeting C++ 2025, and a brand new KDSoap tutorial series to dig into. Plenty of new material to keep your skills moving forward. And if you like planning ahead, you're in luck. We're also giving you an early peek at the 2026 training schedule, upcoming online Rust sessions, and a whole lineup of industry events, from Rust Nation UK to Embedded World, from Oxidize to NDC TechTown, and of course, Qt World Summit 2026. Save the date, KDAB Training Day 2026. Go ahead and mark 26 October 2026 in your calendar. Oh, wait. Enough waiting. That's the day before Qt World Summit, which kicks off in Berlin, and KDAB will be hosting its next training day right there in the city. If you joined us last year, you'll know the format. A full day of deep hands-on sessions led by KDAB experts. The 2026 agenda is still being put together, but you can check out last year's lineup to get a sense of the kind of topics and depth you can expect. Just like before, you'll be able to choose between training-only tickets or a combined ticket that covers both the KDAB Training Day on the 26th and Qt World Summit 2026 on the 27th and 28th of October. More details are on the way, so keep an eye out. Meeting C++ 2025 video spotlight, Ivan Čukic's talk. The Meeting C++ 2025 talks are rolling out one by one on the conference's YouTube channel, so it's a great moment to catch up on some of last year's standout sessions. One we really want to highlight is Ivan Čukic's January release. In this talk, he takes a fresh look at C++ 20 coroutines, not just for async work or concurrency, but as a general flow control mechanism. By focusing on stud generator, he shows how coroutines can act more like loops or functions, and how that shift in thinking can make real-world code cleaner and surprisingly intuitive. And if you like to follow along visually, slides for all the talks are available too, making this a solid resource for anyone looking to deepen their modern C++ skills. KDAB video releases. New series getting started with KDSoap. KDAB has kicked off a brand new YouTube series all about KDSoap, the Qt-based library for working with SOAP communication. The first 3 episodes walk through the core building blocks of using KDSoap in both client and server applications. You'll see how to make simple synchronous calls for non-GUI tools, how to handle asynchronous, job-based communication, and how to implement your own SOAP services using KDSoap Server. It's a solid starting point if you're working with SOAP in Qt-based systems. The series opens with a gentle introduction to the library itself, what KDSoap does, how it fits into Qt applications, and how SOAP communication works on both the client and server sides. From there, the second episode dives into KDWSDL2CPP, that's the code generator that streamlines making SOAP calls from Qt. There's even a little twist in the workflow to keep an eye on. And in the third episode, you'll learn how to use the generated job classes to make non-blocking asynchronous SOAP calls so your GUI stays responsive while your app talks to remote services. KDAB Training. If you're looking to level up your skills or pick up something completely new, KDAB has a solid lineup of training courses coming up. Here's a quick look at what's on the horizon, with full details available in the complete schedule. Advanced Modern C++, Berlin, Germany, 4 days in English. Running April 21st to 24th, this course is designed for experienced C++ developers who want to really master the modern language features from C11 through C23. Expect deep dives into semantics, smart pointers, lambdas, template metaprogramming, and more. Debugging and profiling Qt applications on Linux. Berlin, Germany, 3 days in English. From May 19th to 21st, this course focuses on the tools and techniques you need to track down bugs and diagnose performance issues in Qt applications on Linux. It covers everything from general debugging and CPU profiling to Linux-specific high-level analyzers. Advanced QML, Berlin, Germany, 3 days, English. Happening August 18th to the 20th, this training course digs into QML, C++ integration, scene graph profiling, and performance tuning. You'll learn how to use OpenGL in QML, spot UI bottlenecks, and apply best practices for building high-performance applications, even on constrained hardware. Upcoming Rust courses, online 2026. If you're looking to get hands-on with Rust this year, KDAB has a set of online courses coming up, offered in collaboration with our partner Ferris Systems, a long-standing member of the Rust community going all the way back to before Rust 1.0. You can browse the full schedule for all the details, but here's a quick overview of what's on the way. Introduction to Rust, online, 5 half-days in English. Running February 23rd to the 27th, this course is perfect if you're new to Rust and want a solid practical foundation. Embedded Rust, online, 3 half-days in English. From March 4th to the 6th, this session focuses on using Rust in embedded environments with hands-on examples. Introduction and Embedded Rust combo, online, 8 half-days in English. If you want the full journey, the combined track runs from February 23rd through to March 6th, covering both the introductory and embedded material in one go. All the latest RHEL event news can be found on kdab.com/events. This includes the upcoming Qt World Summit 2026. Remember that you can get all the links of items mentioned here in the description, kdab.com/newsletter, or from the newsletter itself if you're signed up to it. Thank you so much for listening to the KDAB newsletter. Don't hesitate to give feedback or questions, and we'll see you in the next one.